Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I thought I would do some behind the scenes to explain just a part of what the NAS does for us. So this NAS ended up, yes, it cost £4,800, but it's a long-term investment that should last 5 to 6 years. I don't really see us not needing it. And yeah, it's actually extremely useful for our workload, and it already has has been absolutely wonderful to work with. So I'm going to show you, I think the easiest way is not to tell, but is to show. So let's do it. All right, so I just finished recording the final part of the Wrath of the Lich King documentary. So now what I'm going to do is put it onto the server. The reason why is because once I do that, it will be through the 10 gigabit connection, which basically means we get about 1,200 megabytes per second read speed, which is pretty damn incredible. So it will be fully accessible on this computer and over there on that computer, which is the second editing station. So what's really nice about the NAS is that while those two Windows machines are actually running based on 10 gigabit Ethernet, it actually has plug-and-play Thunderbolt, which is really, really cool. It basically means, yeah, it's plug-and-play because I record all of my stuff here. What I do is, so you'll see here, I connect to the NAS, I go into its main thing. Right now it's a little bit messy, so I go into Projects, I go to World of Warcraft, I make a copy of our new video template. I will now rename this to Wrath 4. So yep, there's that renamed. I then go into A-Roll and Audio, double click in that guy, Wrath 4 Audio. I'll hit the save button, and yeah, now the audio's there. So with the audio being put in, the next thing I do is like just go to my SD card and drag it over into that section of the NAS. And now it's transferring. Unfortunately, my transfer speed is somewhat limited by the fact that we have this card just going through this USB Type-C adapter that really is not massively fast. So all of that stuff right now is on its way to there. So if I then go over to, we'll do it in this computer over here. So if I just grab files and we will go to this PC, there we go. And if I then say go into projects, World of Warcraft, Wrath 4, A-Roll Audio, and then you can see it's all there, it's all transferring. And you can actually see the file size ticking up as it moves. Now this has been extremely useful for us. So as an example, this Wrath of the Lich King video is actually, it's pretty long. It's probably about 20 minutes long, I'd say, once it's all done. Now, if we needed to get that done quickly, what we could actually do is, well, we would put everything into a master project and then create two projects that we would nest inside the master projects, which is a bit complex, I know, but basically the first 10 minutes of the video could be edited there, the second could be edited there, and it would be simultaneous, which is pretty damn insane. And that it's also great because we have a shared library of media there that every editor can access, and we're working on getting all of that mirrored to Dropbox with remote access, Wi-Fi access to everything inside the office. That's also where all the secure files for the game studio will go. So overall, it's been pretty damn cool, and that essentially is our ingest pipeline. It does mean we now have this Synology NAS lying around, so I'll have to figure out a way to, to continue to get value from that, because it's a great bit of kit. It's just not exactly what we need now for video editing. It's more of a low performance thing, but it is a lot of storage, so there's definitely bound to be a way we can actually utilize that well. Anyway, yeah, I thought I'd show you the ingest process and just, an element of how we run the show. Now that we're running 2 channels with sometimes 10 videos a week, which is just crazy when I say it out loud. Things like this, while they may seem really expensive, they are just, honestly, they are just extremely useful and really do help out. So there you go. I hope you found that interesting. I'll see you next time.